Welcome to episode 9 of 40 Years 40 Reasons. Today I'm discussing the integration of Sandvik Coromant's CoroPlus Tool Library into GibbsCAM. It's a prime example of the outstanding collaboration between Sandvik Coromant and GibbsCAM. Selecting tools and methods with the help of proven data, deliver higher quality parts, and reduce costs, waste, and energy use, all for the benefit of our users. Let me show you how the integration of Sandvik Coromant's CoroPlus Tool Library is working. To start, we define the CAM process and select the CoroPlus Tool icon to launch the tool library within GibbsCAM. We select the required tool and orientation setup, in this case a CoroTurn Prime B-type insert. The tooling geometry and associated cutting tool data is imported into GibbsCAM. Now we repeat the process with an A-type insert. We define a new CAM process and launch the tool library within GibbsCAM again. We select the required tool and orientation setup. And here we've got tooling geometry and associated cutting tool data imported into GibbsCAM. Now you understand how easy it is to access up-to-date cutting tool data from the Sandvik Coromant's CoroPlus Tool Library within GibbsCAM.